Vehicle preparation steps: car wash, dry off, clay bar, surface preparation. Before you bring the car for a car wash, always fill out the pre-inspection form before paint protection film installation. Look for any chips, damages, or scratches. A high pressure and wax-free cleaning should be considered to remove any road tar and brake dust. You can wash the vehicle by yourself or bring it to a professional car wash detail shop. Even if you apply the paint protection film on the front of the car, make sure you wash the whole vehicle with a high pressure washer. Rinse it thoroughly and then dry it off with a soft microfiber towel. Open the hood to clean all the edges dry. Make sure to double clean areas where the film will be wrapped. And flush out remaining water with compressed air. After the car wash, use clay bar to remove more contamination. Always lubricate the surface and use light pressure in one direction. After you are done with clay bar, dry the surface with clean microfiber towel. The final step of the vehicle prep is to use 3M surface preparation system with lint-free cloth to clean the surface. Once it is clean, use a second lint-free cloth to make sure all solvents are removed. This is how to prepare the vehicle before 3M Scotchgard paint protection film installation.